So guys, I'll try to put in a radio, right? Got this radio display not working, and it's a big issue. Look, see? Anyway, the right side is not working. See? So I have to look for the wire. So this is what I do. I use a battery, right? From here to here. You could hear the speaker, right? So I come over here now, and I was like, right there. See? Touch that green right there, and nothing. So I come over here, and I do it right somewhere here. I do it right, and it making noise. So I say it gotta be because when I was pulling this thing out, this thing is nothing. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Look at that. So the wire was down here on the ground. Look at that. Look right here. That's why my right speaker, left speaker is not working, because I break. So they stepping up and down and step on it until it breaks. Oh my goodness. See you later.